Oh, we in the spot. We in the spot. Oh.
Boom, boom, boom. Oh. We just good niggas, man.
VELLSNEEZE. Sneeze merch, nigga. Sneeze merch. What's good, YouTube? Vell here, back with another reaction. VELLSNEEZE back here with a reaction. My fault, y'all. And you know I got the hookah. We in the spot today. We in the spot today. You know, Moet. We in the spot today. What else we got? Come on, we in the spot today. What else we got? I'm dropping stuff on it. Move that. We in the spot today. What else we got? We got that Migo. We in the spot today. And you know, hookah. But today we got another reaction, throwback video. This when I was in college. Ain't too far back. This was like 2015 or 16, I think. But sorry, I'm drinking water. I'm capping drinking water. But before we get in this video, you already know, which I like, subscribe, and comment. Come on. I need my subscribers. I need my subscribers. And like my videos. Come on. And comment what I want to see. But let's get right into the video. I'm not even going. Like I said, this is college. Like I told you before, I should have recorded when I was in college. I might have been a big YouTuber already. 4 years ago, I should have been recorded. But let's get right to this video. Y'all see me? Peep game. We didn't even know the camera was on yet. That's B first, that's Billy Rack, that's Jackie B, that's Mimi back there, that's VELLSNEEZE. We ain't know the camera was yet. We ain't know the camera was on yet. That's Ariel, that's Ray Savage, that's Kane over there. Look, watch me peek the camera. Watch, I'm gonna drop and peek the camera. Watch. And I was drunk. Don't mind, I was drunk. Look how he doing it live. It's like this is live. Watch this. Watch this. Look, I grabbed the camera. I already know what's going to happen. Watch. Oh! 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 Oh, we in the spot. We in the spot. Oh, we in the spot. We in the spot. We in the spot. Yeah. Yeah. Woo! 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 I'm still going. Give me a Chill. All I'm shaking to. Look at her in the corner though. Look at Mimi in the corner, still shaking her thing. Mind you, I was drunk. I don't know what I was doing. Shoulder still.
Look, we got lights, bro. Here we do. Sturdy.
Look at Mimi though. Mimi hung. Look at what top pulled up. He had to be sleeping. He pulled up.
Sturdy. Let's go.
Look at Fish. No, look. Y'all see him right here? What is he doing?
Let's go.
Yo.
Let's go.
Nah, you gonna hate me for posting this. I don't care. Drunk nights. Look. Me? What about? I didn't know you drunk. Let's skip this. Let's see what else is here. Look, I'm gonna grab the camera again. Watch. I knew they were shaking. Butt. Oh, that's Jackie B. She stopped. Look who pop up. Come on, this collar, this throwback. Look at his face. Look. Look, he ain't done. Look. Look. He popped up again. Play this. No, I'm putting my sneakers on. I'm about to try to dance. Like I said, I don't know how to dance, but I'm gonna try. Fish is a dancer. He know how to dance. Hold on, Fish. Let me get 37. Let me get crazy. Look at Ray get hype for me. Ray know I'm on dance. Look at Ty. He threw it higher. Hold on, go back. He gonna throw it. He gonna go like this and go higher. Look. Look. Look at me though, again, look.
Hit. Work. Let's go. Hit. Work. Let's go.
I got the move.
Ooh.
Look at me.
Million.
Gotta pull up.
Study. Let's go.
Look at the leg work.
Study. Boom, 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 boom.
Look at Billy in the back. Look, Ray Minutes is dead.
Bounce, 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 bounce. That's what me, my niggas.
Look at Ty. Look at Ty. Look at Ty. He gonna do it again. Watch. He gonna watch. Yeah, you know I gotta bring out the shoulders. I ain't know Jackie B could get crazy, right? Look at Jackie B. This before she was, you know. Hold on, Jackie B gonna start up. She a female. Chill. Woo! Look at this. Chill. Chill. Woo! She got dizzy, I think. She was going crazy. Chill. Chill. Hold on, watch. Peep game. Hold on. Who's next? Who's next? Look at Ty. Chill. Chill. Woo! He couldn't get out. Look, Fish is next. That's a real dancer. Look. Woo! Yo, peep game. Ray trying to make me go crazy. He know I'm nice, that's why. Look, Ray trying to give me the dance. I don't want to dance. But Ty said body it. Carl body it though. Fuck, I'm gonna go. My bro got him. Fuck, I'm gonna go. Show him. Chill. Chill. Woo. Chill, Vell. Woo. Almost had a. Look at me, look at me. Look, I'm gonna tell Billy do it. Look, Billy, do it. Woo! Chill! Chill! Look at the legs! Look at the. Yo, this is Ty's song. So watch Ty go crazy. Chill, Ty. Woo! Chill! Chill, Ty! That's what Fish saying. That, look, how to get hype.
We lit, nigga. We lit niggas.
Fish gas me. Woo! Chill. Chill. I thought it was so that. Yo, this part right here. Remember, we know the camera. He took the camera. We know the camera was on, so we just vibing out. We just vibing out. Look at me. Look at Ray. Ray was in the back doing his own thing. He dug it. Straight 100.
That's why I'm doing this. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time.
Look at Ty.
Higher powers taking
Let's see what's next.
That's all we do.
Look what he about to say, y'all.
All my niggas is living.
No.
That's all we do. All my niggas live.
Words from Billy.
My niggas get money. We have a good time. We drink, we smoke, we go to school, we pass our classes, we get good grades.
He said we drink, we smoke, and we go to school, and we pass our classes. That's a weird mix, but we did it.
We just good niggas, man. I'ma go and eat her at pussy.
Show me moves, Kyle. Look at me dancing with Kanye. That's my sister, y'all. Look at Ty, though. Chill, Ty. Chill, Ty. Before I start this part, just know this is all freestyle. Just know if I was on one, I could do pick up and kill it. I could do pick up and kill it. Watch, I'm gonna show y'all. This all freestyle. I ain't mess up. Just know if this was wilding out, just watch. Me and Ty about to go off, but Ty gonna quit with me, but I'm gonna keep going. Then he gonna come back, but watch, just watch.
Nice. I'm a straight ball nigga from young and made this nigga from AK. He from AK, whipping, got them guns, fucking spray. My boy from Douglas, you know he don't fuck with the fuck shit. I don't fuck with the fuck shit. Big B, see, nigga, suck my dick. Yeah, we not gonna.
But he messed up.
My name VELLSNEEZE, give me attention, bless me, hurt you. Chillin' with Kanye, African, her too.
Me too.
Every out here,
Look, freestyle.
Turkle, we need more view for the bitches, make a lick on the stitches.
Look, I'm still going.
I'm still on the scene, money in my pocket, yeah, that shit green. Yeah, I'm right, babe. I don't even like babe. You wear babe, I wear Iron Man.
Chill, I messed up, but just know, I could do this. I done this. Put me on pick up and kill it. Look, Vell not ugly.
So many cups here, I don't know.
Yeah, we was getting lit. It was too many cups.
If we go deep, I don't know who you is.
At the end of the video, we about to go to a party. But, you know, that was another throwback video, college days, VELLSNEEZE and his team. Like I said, I should have recorded, but, you know, I'm out of here. Let me know if y'all want to see, I'm going to show y'all more reactions, but let me know if y'all like these reactions. But like I said, I should pop this, right? Nah. Migos! This is deadly, y'all. But Hookah always shooting. VELLSNEEZE out of here. Before I go, remember I said like, subscribe, and comment, and ring that bell. Turn on post notification. Let me know, because I'm going to drop these videos. Y'all got to watch these videos. Get my subscribers up. Let me know what y'all want to see next. All right, VELLSNEEZE. VELLSNEEZE. Boom! It's gone. See y'all later. I love y'all.